Oh my
Yo,
god, what?
yo, we're going back home. Wait, we're gonna go back home.
What?
We're gonna go back to the OG map.
Bro. Yo.
Wait,
He's right here. Wait, what do we have to do?
see you on the other side, everyone. Wait.
We're good.
Wait, see you on the other side. Yo, we're back.
Guys, wait!
This is the old map. Look, see, this is selling station. Well, not the selling
Yeah,
station.
but I
buy
remember
something.
the OG map and there was no sewers.
Yeah.
Yo,
Don't run, you coward elephant. Where you at?
Yo, this
I mean,
green
gotta-
kid's so annoying, bro. I can't get him.
So it's true, you can get here just by typing the code at spawn.